What's poppin'? What is good? Hey chat. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. TikTok. Boom. What's good? What's good? Happy Wednesday. Welcome in. Buzzblab in the house. What up, Buzzblab? What up? Z Gamer is in the house. Got a trade. What's good, bro? What up, Stephen B? Stephen B in the building. Ewan is in the house. What up, Gold Busters? Good to see you, man. What up, Dropout Trader? Awareness in the house. What up, Scott? Scotty boy. What's good, everyone? How y'all doing? Good morning, Chala. What's good, Purpose? What's good? What's good? Mike Go in the building. Yeah, OGH. Good morning, my man. Good morning. What's up, man? How y'all doing? Everyone doing good? Let me multitask and figure things out over here. Yanosh is in the building. What up, Yanosh? Stevie Mac, my man. Welcome. Welcome in, everyone. CPI day. Hope y'all are doing good. What up, Jason C, Jason C, Juan, Melly in the building. What up, C Melly? We got Melly and Manelli in the house. Louis G is back in the building, as always. Right on time. Grind time Mufasa? My man. My man, what's good? Good morning, Andrew. What's up, brother? What up, Xander? Mr. M in the building. What up, Mr. M? What's good? What's good? Hope you guys are doing good. Let me get this set up. All right, cool. I think we are good. Let me see. Yeah, I think we're good to go. Zoom's good. Boom. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. All right, welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. Happy Wednesday. It is a great day. Let's settle down. As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. I'm going to pray for you, and then we're going to get the party started here. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for a new day. We thank you for how awesome you are, Lord. The fact that we have you, Lord, of the Creator on our side, ready to provide, to protect, to send us down a road that the vision is so clear, Lord. We thank you for providing for all of our needs and goals. You put these dreams and goals in our heart, Lord, and you'll provide it. Your word says it, Father. So we're so thankful for your word. For those who don't know your word and don't know your promises, I encourage them, or I pray that you would encourage their hearts, Lord, to go discover the promises that you have for their life, and so they could realize how good you are, how amazing you are, and just so special, Lord. So we thank you for that dream. It's the dream is so special. The vision is so special, Lord. You said where there is no vision, the people perish, Lord. We thank you for giving us life with our vision, Lord. We thank you for giving us and equipping us with everything we need to go get it. We give you all the glory for it. We thank you in advance for everything you've promised us. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's get it popping. Time to eat. The vision, man. The vision. I can sit here and cry when I think of how good God has been, how much of a promise keeper he has been, from the conversations. You know, every single job I had, I would speak to the Lord on the way to work and, you know, thank him for the freedom in advance. And man, freedom should be a normal thing. You know, the fact that we have to earn freedom and glitch the matrix and do all this is just a obstacle course from the enemy in a way, right? God wants you to be free, to use your freedom, not to indulge in sinful nature, the word says, but to serve one another in love. And that's what I'm doing with my freedom, and you deserve freedom as well. And it's harvest time, ladies and gentlemen. It's freedom time. Yeah. So let's do it, man. Let's go ahead and let's get the day started. It is a wonderful day ahead of us here. The fact that we're even living, breathing, you woke up this morning, man, just be grateful. Most of the things that you've got going on that you're stressed about are probably just unnecessary stress added by you. So let's get past all that. Let's focus here. Let's turn that switch on today, and let's sit down and do our job. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. Today is the 15th of May. It is another day. It's another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to chip away at our professionalism, to remain professional, and see what we can pull out of these markets here today. So as you guys can see, today is a big day here for the US dollar. You do have the core CPI, you have the month-to-month, year-to-year. You also have the retail sales coming in as well. So heavy news coming in here at 8:30 today, and that should be pretty interesting, right? I look forward to seeing how the news is going to come out. I think they're expecting bad numbers here, yeah. So we'll see what happens. You know, maybe gold is working on a potential support here now, and we may be good to continue taking off, right? So that's what we got ahead of us here today. We also have some more news at 10 a.m. A bunch of yellow folders coming in, and that's about it. I think the big show is going to be here at 8:30 a.m. as you have all these red folders related to CPI here. So that's what's ahead of us here today. Let's go ahead and open up the charts. Let's do a top-down analysis and see where we are. See what we're looking like in terms of price action here. Yo, what up, Wags? What's good, trader next door? What's good? What's good? All right, let's go ahead and open up the charts here, and let's get the day started. Sounds like the rain is coming down. Damn. Wow. Hasn't rained here in like 2 months, chat. But hallelujah, we got rain coming down. What a blessing. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here and see what we got going on for the day. Let's do a top-down analysis and set things up here. So taking a look at the daily time frame, right? Obviously, we've been moving up for quite some time here. We've created this resistance on the top side here, right? We've also officially created a support. That was Monday, right? Monday or Tuesday's candle created support. Or Tuesday's candle, which was yesterday, and now we're kind of stuck in this range, right? So gold was attempting to push up through the range. There's still some distance to go, right? You can really come all the way up towards resistance, even kind of into this wick rejection area to fill that wick. I'm sorry, yeah, this is the weekly time frame. To fill this wick on the weekly time frame, as you guys can see right over here, and that would be breaking the all-time highs, right? So let's see what happens. I think this resistance here may be troublesome for gold. But again, CPI coming out here today, this is where you can really see a big push on the weekly time frame, and kind of end up somewhere above here after getting a push and then a nice rejection. So that's like the weekly time frame here. We don't know. We haven't really done much. We've made a bottom wick. We haven't broken the high. We're right at resistance. These are the all-time highs. So I would really love to see it. But again, it doesn't matter what I want, but I would love to see price kind of do something like this. That would be amazing. I know a lot of you guys would like that as well. I just want to stay away from these all-time highs. That's all. If we can come back down a little bit, create some more ranges down here, that'd be great. But at the end of the day, price action is going to do what price action wants to do. So let's take a look at the daily now. The daily looks like it's kind of already attempted to fill the wick and tap into a target there. So if you look at the daily, you've got support, right? You've come up, you've created resistance, new support, and you closed right at that resistance. Now this candle's been pushing up. Looks like we're attempting to fill that wick there, but we're beginning to reject, right? We're starting to reject here. You also have no closure above, right? If yesterday's candle here would have actually closed above the range, then we would be looking at a different story, right? I would really be super bullish, expecting that wick to be filled and then potentially price to come up towards like this resistance around like 2400. But we never did close below. As you can see, this candle closed right below resistance. We're beginning to reject this wick. Let's go see what that looks like on the 4-hour time frame and begin to go from there. So yeah, so 4-hour. Okay, cool. So 4-hour created support here, right? So we created this support. Price moved up. We came into this range. We closed above that range, right? And above that range is very clean traffic, right? You got clean candles coming all the way up to the left-hand side here. Very, very nice range to trade in. I would absolutely love to be a part of buys in this range, but you know, we may be experiencing somewhat of a fake out at this point. There's still an hour 40 left on this candle, so plenty of time left. I think this 4-hour close is big here, right? If you close above this resistance, you've got clean candles moving up. You should have no issues filling this range here up towards, again, that 2400 mark right there, right? Now, if you don't close above and you close below, then I think what we could say is, hey, we've got ourselves a fake out, right? And then the next candle should begin to continue down into support, right? Into these support levels here, and then do whatever it needs to do from that point. So two options here, two ways of looking at it, up and down. Price can only go either way. So we want to make a plan for both. Let's go ahead and see what the 1 hour time frame looks like. So 1 hour time frame's coming down here. Looks like we're attempting to create some sort of support, right? We've pushed up 1, 2, 3, 4 hours in a row, and now we've pushed down for the last 2 hours, right? So what will we do in these areas? I would say, you know, right around here, these general areas here. Will we create support? Will we continue down a little lower to create our support down there? That we don't know. We're just gonna have to wait. Just gonna have to wait here. This is a big candle closure. This is also the NY open. So basically when this candle closes, we move into NY open. And if that's the case and you do close bullish, there's a very high chance you will see price retest resistance here, right? For NY open, maybe even before the news, and then, you know, we'll see what happens with news. But that is basically what we got going on. The 1 hour 30-minute time frame looks good. You know, you got support here, you've got resistance here, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm more so gonna see what happens here on the 1 hour time frame and see how we close NY open. I already took a sell right here, so I'm not, you know, eager to jump into any positions. I'm gonna be probably sitting until news, and yeah, that's it. Yeah, because you may start to range within here. Right, you may start to range in here a little bit and then get a breakout towards one of these directions. You got clean candles coming down. If you do look to take sells, or if we do get closures below and then above here, you've got a beautiful range here. Beautiful range. So that is the day for me. I'm gonna look to target 2400, man. 2400 continues to be the number here on all time frames in which price most likely will target. So that will be my target, since it's price's target, and that is it. Clean buys above 2375, moving up towards 2400, and then pretty clean sells below 2365. Yeah, not bad. If you guys don't like sells here, you can move stuff down. I don't like sells here just yet. I want to see how this candle closes. That's the big thing for me. I want to see how the candle closes here. If we close below, there may be opportunities. If not, I'm gonna see if we can get in. See if I could look to go long in this range, because I think this range is like like 60, 70 pips. So if we do get a support here, I would like to see if we can go long there on gold. Yeah, up until then we're pretty bearish based off of what we got going on. I took a sell here on gold. And where was it? This one? This candle right here. Took this sell, closed 25 pips, and now I'm going to just regroup and see what happens here. That's the day. Yeah, we might be able to use this 15-minute support here and then kind of see how we close on the 15. Yeah, because price may want to tap back into this. So a lot of times you can get this bullish candle, right? But it kind of closes weak, and then you get some other stupid candle to take all the buyers out, and then it flies up. So we're gonna pay attention to that support on the 15, and as of right now, just waiting, you know, just waiting. Trying to see where and why we could create support here. Yeah, it's a pretty valid area right here. 2365. Pretty valid. So yeah, now we wait. That's it. That's it. What's up, Perez? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah, I'm just gonna hang tight on the 1 hour here, chat. Wait for some more price action. And that is all. That is all she wrote. So to be honest, I'm looking for potential fake outs here. Fake outs for buys to potentially retest those highs. If not, some sort of you know, the 4 hours bullish and the daily's bullish. So gonna need some sort of like range 2 sells below that level there. Yeah, that's it. I'm sure we'll readjust this and talk about it a little bit more as more candles begin to print. Grind time, Mufasa. Why do I feel like the music is so loud? I think it's just my headphones. My bad, chat. Was I like screaming that whole breakdown? All right, price gonna move down. What up, TK? Yeah, took the sell. Took a loss last night too, an Asian session. Took a win after stream, a loss during Asian, and then another W right here. Yeah, took sells there in Asian. Got in like right. Got in right here. I think it was the break of this candle's own low. I was in. But this is the trade I took just now prior to the stream. It was off the 15-minute time frame there. Yeah, I was out by this candle here. I think it was like 25 pips. Yeah. 25. Yeah, let me mark that one up before I forget. Yeah, honestly, I don't trade the Asian session too much. I think my last couple Asian session trades were all losses. I don't know why I keep doing it. Why are you doing it, man? Nah, I'm super big right now and just freaking executing. Just execute when the playbook shows up. This was a 15-minute breakout. No, previous. Yeah, this one I had a, what was it, 20? I think it was 25, right? 25 pips. Yeah, cool. Cool. And we're still moving down here. Still moving down. So you popped on Wix's stream? Yeah, every now and then when I come set my stream up, so the night before, like I'll set my stream up, I'll pop in and say what's good. Oh wow, look at this price moving down. Took an L in Asian also. It broke above resistance, but faked out back into the range. Yeah, I think I was just wrong, you know, about with my trade. I was anticipating that I was going against the 4 hour too. I probably shouldn't have been doing that. But I think that's where I kind of made the mistake there. I was going against the 4 hour. 4 hour was bullish. This was basically your 4 hour bottom wick. And I was anticipating that we could get a nice move down though on that 4. And I also took it at 845 or 840. And it was like right in the crossover of the new 4 hours. So I'm like, hopefully I could survive this. Because the 4 hour did close bearish, right? But I'm like, all right, hopefully I can survive the top wick here. My stops were sitting above this high here. And yeah, I was hanging out like right around break even for the majority of the trade. And then doink, came up and stopped me out. This candle right here. Yeah. Yeah, we actually just kept on moving too. Yeah, if you look, that was this 4-hour candle. So it doesn't. Let me show you the other one. This 4-hour candle. Where is it? I think it was this one. Yeah, this one right here. Yep. So yeah, anyone else take that? It was probably against our plan, honestly. I think I shouldn't have been fighting the 4-hour candle, but I was anticipating this one to close bearish, push down, and then the next one to drive down. It was a little bit of an earlier entry, I would say. Maybe a little premature. That's probably what got me. What up, AB Mike? That's good. Yeah, it looks like we're still moving here. When do you know if the breakout will be a continuation or a fake out? You don't. You never know. You never know what price is going to do next. And guess what? In the famous words of Mark Douglas, you don't have to know. Right? What did he say? You don't have to know what's going to happen next in order to make money trading. And that's the beautiful part about it. Now, if you ask it a little bit different, you say, hey, are there any hints? Are there any signs to when the breakout may or may not work? Then yeah, I have a different answer for that. That's going to be a lot of, higher time frame direction, higher time frame bias could maybe help that out. Because if let's say we're bullish here and we want to take let's just pretend that price was ranging here, right? Let's just pretend that price is just like, ranging, and we're extremely bullish, and then you get a closure below. That fake out may not work, right? Because the higher time frames are attempting to move up. So let's say the 4-hour candle looks like this, nice strong bullish closure, and then the next one looks something like this, right? And it's trying to go up, but you're selling it right here, right? You're selling it right here, and then price ends up faking out back into the range. So use the higher time frame bias to determine whether or not your breakout will work out. And then obviously there's other signs that the candles will let you know of, right? Meaning like candles close with no wicks on the bottom, candles close very weak, there's other little signs, but yeah, that's probably the best you can do. Otherwise you have no idea. There's not one trade. I've taken many trades in my career. Not one of them did I know 100% this was going to be a winner or a loser. Not one. Took the same L. Nice. Hey, as long as we're taking the same L's, man. Yeah, that's the thing. A lot of people are trying to avoid losses. Let me show you what happens when you try to avoid losses, so you can learn from my mistake. Look at this. Come into the year trying to avoid losses, man. For why? You know what I mean? For what? You're a trader, right? I'm a trader. Why am I going to come in and try and... That's like me trying to be the best MLB hitter in the league and trying to avoid strikeouts, right? Look at this. Bunch of losses here. Being soft. Nah, just kidding, right? Just trying to avoid losses here, you end up taking losses. Right? And then you just say, you know what? I don't give a rip. I'm just going to trade the system. I'll let the probabilities fall where they may. And then all of a sudden, that's exactly what happens. The probabilities do end up falling where they may. So you see losses in here, right? I'm proud of these losses. These are good. These are healthy. There should be some losses within, the trading month. It's not like you're going to have 100% win rate. You should get excited for the loss. I think on the stream moving forward, when we get into trades, I'm going to be like, all right, cool. Got in this sell. Stops are going to be above here. TP is going to be up here. All right, bet. Let's see if we can lose this trade. Because I think the mindset needs to shift about losing trades and all this stuff. It's okay to lose trades, right? Trade the system. Let the losses come as they may. Let the winners come as they may, and live with the results. If you have I think we did our I did my record here just a day ago or something. We're at like 74% win rate for the year. It's fine with me, man. I'm down to take 10 trades and lose 3. I'm not afraid of that. Right? I think this month we have What do we have this month? This month we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 trades and 3 losers. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with it because I know I'm just executing on the edge when it comes. And I know that there's losses a part of the edge. No edge is 100%. If anyone tries to tell you that, they're just trying to sell you some BS. They're trying to get you to purchase something or, you know, buy something. They just want your money, right? So there's no 100% win rate, gang. There is none. So when you do take losses, don't veer too far away from the playbook. Stay with it. Just trust in the probability. Let's see. Nice, coming down here. Yeah, there's no bottom wick on this candle. That's what I was kind of trying to target there. No bottom wick, but I wanted to get out the trade because I was about to start the live stream and, you know, don't want to be unfocused. The Eagle 4000? Shh. Keep that on the low. Members only. Members only, man. We don't talk about that unless they got the 4,000 in hand. Alright? You want to talk the Eagle 4000, you better have that 4,000 in hand. Otherwise, we ain't talking, right, TK? I was 70 away from passing phase 2. Reversed 1K down. No biggie. You get it right back. Like the casino, you get it right back, right? When you have an edge and when you have a systemized approach to the game, you act as the casino. What does the casino has? The casino has an edge, right? The casino has a system. And what is their edge? Time. Time is their edge. Time is our edge. Keep executing and let time let things play out for you, right? Just like the casino, somebody can go. The casino will let you come in there and win some hands, right? They'll let you take some money from them, but they know if you keep sitting there, they're going to get that right back. And that's what we're going to do. Every time we take losses, we're going to get it right back, gang, because we're professionals. We act as the casino. We know time is our edge, and we let probabilities play themselves out without crying, whining like little babies, right? No whining. It's a man's game. In hand, Bobo. You better have COD. Y'all know what that means? COD? Cash on deck. You better have it. If not, I don't want to hear anything about the Eagle 4000. We're going to get it right back. Always. All right, let me send the Zoom link out. Sorry, I'm fired up. Too fired up here today, chat. Ooh, sa. You better have the cash on deck. All right, sorry, Zoomers. My bad. I'm in a sell. I joined at 2371, 2370. Okay, similar entry to mine, or maybe a little bit lower. I'm in profit for or whatever. We'll wait to news to close. Sorry for I would yeah, if you haven't closed like partials, I would probably begin to close partials down here at this support. You're also tapping into a 30-minute support, and I don't want to say that to scare you out of the trade, but this just could be where price rejects. So if you're in and you're happy with your earning, I would maybe look to manage it somewhere down in this range. Yeah. Yeah, because now you're coming into the support level. Right, you came off of the resistance, drove down. This is the play we talked about for those who have attended the boot camps, right? This is the move, right? We call it the move, right? The money move, where if price creates a support, comes up, you know, gives you a high, creating resistance, there's an 85% chance we'll come down to retest that support. That all like lines up with higher time frame, you know, new candle, bottom wicks, and all that good stuff too. And now look, if we came in and tapped that. So if that's true for if price comes up, creates resistance, it'll retest support. Well, it's also true where if price creates resistance, then creates support. Hold on, where's my tool? Where my tools go here? Then what can we expect here? Price to eventually retest resistance, right? If we do create support, now you have that resistance up here, and price should be good to retest. And what is that? So what is that? That is the 4-hour candle. This is the bottom wick for the 4-hour, and that is the move back up. Right? If we look at the 4-hour chart right now, I bet you there's a bottom wick being formed. Right? Bottom wick being formed, and then if we close back above, create support, then most likely this candle is ready to move up. If you guys remember, very, very clean price action above these ranges on the 4-hour chart here today. Cool. The rooster, yo, Pablo. Pablo. Wow, price really pushing down here though. Holy. So this candle closed in 18 minutes. That's also when NY Open is here. So we'll see if this candle can close bullish, then there may be some opportunities to take buys. It's getting spooky though, man. Pre-news. CPI is coming. CPI is on the way, and CPI isn't one of these like fun, like, ooh, we're in news, awesome, look at it, it's really running, nice, yeah, wow, I'm in so much profits, right? No, CPI is one of those things where it's like 3, 2, 1, boom. Just looks like that. Yeah. Yeah, I have closed my sells. I'm out of my sells now, yep. Yeah, I'm out. TK. All right, my bad, Zoomers. The Zoom link is out. There you go. Damn, must be the most text messages I've ever gotten before like 8 a.m. Holy. Let me answer these. Think we're good. Yeah, my cells are all closed. I took cells on the 15-minute time frame right here. So as you got the closure below, it looked really clean on the 1 hour too. This was the 1 hour candle. That was also the break of the 1 hour lows there. Break of the 30-minute. It was like a 30-minute celery. I didn't take the celery. I took it on the 15. I wasn't looking at the charts until this candle was about to close there. Yeah, but I'm fully out of these cells. CPI is scary. What up, Marcus? Scary. Yo, Louis G getting summer ready. Yo. It's legit pouring outside. Thunder and lightning. Stream starting at 6:30 or 7? 6:45. 6:45 futures Frank. Not a minute before, not a minute after. Did we start late today? I think we did start a little late today. I didn't know what was... I didn't know yet. I had to finish up some things here. I forgot I was a live streamer. Watch me some Raja simulations yesterday. Yeah, they're the best. Yeah, I watched the recent one he did. He did one on the 12th. I watched that one. Oh, should I jump into Raja's Zoom? Looks like he's live. He live. Yeah, he got a whole simulations where he does all his simulations in here. It was pretty good. Pretty good session. Ran for about an hour or so. All the rain rolled in from Georgia. Oh yeah, did you guys get a lot of rain over there? Damn, friend's garage flooded. Dang. Good morning, Futures Frank. How you doing today, sir? Good to see ya. Let's take a look at Raja. Let's go look at Roger real quick. I'm gonna spell Roger in the... Oh, no, I don't think he's live. Oh, yeah, he is. There we go.
Okay. So, let's see here. Where's the chat?
Oh, look. Yeah, he's got the same as us. Same thing. Same thing. Where is it? See? He's using that support. See what I mean? I forgot who asked the question about securing anything, but yeah, you see that? Starting to reject off that support. So this is where I'm looking for basically a fake out, you know, back on the 1 hour time frame here. 30 can close back above, that'd be great. It's been storming here in the villages. Yeah, man. Damn. Hey, man. What's up, Richard Lewis? W. Sharing the good word out of the 16th chapter of John. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we do need the rain, Futures Frank. It hasn't rained in a while. I was just thinking that it hasn't rained in like 2 months. Can you explain, what's up, Kingston? Can you explain about the lower probability onion setup? That support or resistance looks like very weak. Can you talk about it? Yeah, which one? On the 30 minute? Yeah, this is what I would consider a minor. This is more like a minor support. So it is a support, but if you begin to push through it and break those wicks, I think you'll just kind of bypass it. So it is a little bit of a minor support, not like a major one right here. But I would really like to see if we can get an actual candle closure back above this range. Because if we can, then I think then we reject off there and we close back above, then there's a high probability that we'll continue moving up, especially with a very weak bearish close here. You know, you can have impulse entries on the break of that high there. So this one I would say is minor. Something like this is going to be a little bit more major of a support. So yeah, and then what was the question about the onion? Low probability onion. I think there's two things here, right? Can you explain about the low probability onion setup? And then you're saying the support. Oh, when the support or resistance looks very weak. Oh, okay. You're not even talking about this. Yeah. So, you know, it all comes back down to candlesticks, right? And the anatomy of a candle, right? Like if you have price pushing down like this, right? And all of a sudden you get price to begin to push back up here, and you're looking for some sort of resistance to be formed, right? So what does that mean? You're looking for, let's say, a strong bearish candle like this, right? Something like this to form. That's a really nice onion play, right? That's a good resistance there. You should be good to take a sell. But if that candle looks something like this, right, then that is where your onion play will most likely not work. Because yes, it's a red candle. Yes, it's technically a resistance, right? But look how weak it is. Very weak. Sellers try to come down, even broke the low, and it closes like this. And then sometimes we take a sell, but it won't work out, right? And then it breaks the high, and then it just starts flying up. So, you know, going back to candlesticks, you know, and the bodies and the wicks and all that we talk about a lot. That's like a situation where it's not likely to work out. At that point, you want to wait, and maybe you want to wait for a higher time frame candle, right? Maybe instead of getting it off the 30, you know, you miss a little bit of a move like this, because so let's say the next 30 does something like this. You don't take that, but now at least the hourly candle looks like that for you, right? So now you got a strong closure on the hour, and then that's where you can take your sells. Yeah, it's just pay attention to the bodies of the candles and where they are in the range. What up, Sandman? Knicks took that W last night, huh? Gold pushed down on 15. Yeah, right now gold's pushing down. No top wick here. We're still chilling above this support too. Yeah, this is your order block. Your order block. AKA minor support. Have you read the Book of Enoch? Yes. Pre-London didn't work out. Took a W in GJ. Oh, nice, Praz. 1 for 1 today. Cool, cool. What's up, Lee Lee? Lee Lee in the house. Ooh, G Sammy, don't you just hate when that happens? I think it made price in the news. I think it already did. I think it did last night. We just blitzed up here, man. How y'all doing? Fantastic. Morphosis. How you doing?
How you doing?
What up, Nicky? Nicky in the house. How about them Knicks, eh? Hey, Rangers too. It's a big playoff season for New Yorkers, huh? They're going crazy. The Garden is bringing in that cheddar. Knicks, Rangers. Man, one of my friends, he's gone to every game. Every Knick and every Ranger home game this whole playoff. What a crappy game to go to last game for the Rangers, huh? Everyone's like, yeah, Rangers. I hate those games, man. You go to those games, they get blown out. every other game was insane, and then you go to that game, sit in the nosebleed section. Can you check charts for stream? Yeah, sure. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. All right, what do we got here, my friend? So we got bullish bias, but waiting for retracement. Price rejected from the 15-minute. Formed a bearish engulfing. Lovely. Yeah, this was nice. This was nice. All right, so that was trade 1, W, and then this was trade 2. Price formed support. 30-minute broke the, yep. Grab liquidity right here. Also kind of booby trap. Yeah, that was like a 30-minute booby trap candle, right? Yeah. Also range 2 sells. Yeah, that's what I took. I took that off the 15-minute. So this is the 15-minute. You got a better entry than me. My entry was here, but yeah, this all made sense. This was also the 1 hour. So remember, you know, this was a 1 hour break of the low too. So you had a break of the 1 hour lows here, break of the 30-minute lows, booby trap type of candle, and then once the 15 closure happened, then that's when you had a 15-minute breakout too. So yeah, all around that was a great trade. Great trade. Yeah, but we got CPI coming in here in about 30 minutes. What's up, Energy? Lights, fire in the building. It was good. CPI day. All right. UMA update? I'm not sure what that means. Let's get the bag. Full margin on CPI. Who's going? Who's there? How you doing, Energy? I'm doing good. I'm doing good. TK, we going down to the 1 minute chart? It's time.
It's time!
We're watching CPI on the 1 minute. Ain't doing. Yeah, what if we came tomorrow and we just started trading on the 1 minute? What if we just run the playbook on the 1 minute? Look at that celery play. 10 pips. Nice. What up, Luigi, aka Supra? I gotta keep remembering that. Supra is Luigi. Luigi is Supra. Hi, Nick. How can we catch your off-stream trades? You can't unless I basically go in the Discord and say, hey everyone, this is what I'm looking for. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I used to have signals, but I felt like that wasn't really helping anyone, so I just stopped doing the signals. Yeah. Yeah, I think the best thing to do is come to the streams and really learn how I take the trades on the stream. And then that way, when you're off the stream, it's the same exact thing. So you can look for those same opportunities or those same patterns or the same ideas and be able to take them on your own. And then guess what? Now you don't need me, right? So now you don't even need me, and you can begin to make money on your own. But you know, that's not until after a good amount of studying. So the sooner you study, the sooner you sharpen up on the craft for yourself, the sooner you can not have to rely on anybody to make money, not even a boss, not even a job. You could just come to these markets, sit tight, wait for a clear price action according to like what you see happening over and over, take your trades, make your money, and live a really good life. Then you go into all the stores and say, "How you doing?"
How you doing?
There's always always volume. Yeah, no more signals, man. No more signals. Plus, I also don't like to have to send my trades out. You know what I mean? It's just, I don't know. It's just unnecessary pressure also. What up, candles don't lie? How you doing? Trading CPI today? Yes. Yes, I am. We here. So let's adjust back to where we had it. So could we be coming down to move back up? I didn't expect, yeah, I expected us to come down into here, but if we start moving down further, that's a bit of a steeper drop than I thought. What's up, Bradley? Yeah, man. We'll see what happens here for CPI. Big day, big day. We didn't have any news last week. We had some news yesterday with PPI. Now we got CPI coming in here today. And I think that's going to pave the way for the rest of the week here, right? I know we have unemployment claims. We also have, you know, retail sales here today as well. So like tomorrow we'll have unemployment claims, but that's about it. And then Friday's pretty quiet here too. So this should pave the way here for us and bring some volatility and some nice volume for the tail end of the week. Thank you, Sandman. Yes, sir. We did it. We did it, baby. You like the cross? The cross, man. Only if you knew that you could put all your anxieties, all your fears, all your worries, all your doubts at the foot of that cross and move on. You have a savior, you have a good shepherd who is willing to hold your hand and give you a vision and, you know, provide for you every step of the way as you remain obedient and faithful. Not to the world's ways, not to the religious leaders' ways, not to the Pope's ways, not to the Matrix ways, but to his ways. And his ways are always better. Raja's in mode. Oh, let's take a look.
Right, the gulag. My
Oh,
best
oh.
friends over here. Do something for Canada. You guys are even more stupid. Man.
Hey, man.
Do something from Canada. The first comment I read on YouTube is do something for Canada. What do you want me to do for Canada, man? Justin Trudeau is butt fucking Canada for the last 2-3 years. What can I do to stop that?
This guy.
Holy.
Holy.
No, how can I lose 50K when my account is 13,000? I'm going to close all the chats. I'm just going to focus on myself.
Do you,
guys
Raja?
don't deserve this.
Man. Raja understands the game. See, we have a way better chat than Raja. He really does have
Okay.
the gulag.
All
We got
right,
eight-figure
so
traders.
I'm just going to wait over here now. This is NY Open. We got news coming in about
Yeah, look at it. You see
26
this?
minutes.
We're
So
looking
just
for a
gonna focus on
support.
news. I traded 320 days ago on day
This guy. What up, Crows crew? Good morning. Hey, welcome, Bradley. Welcome, everyone new here. Welcome. Welcome in, man. Think you found a good place to be. Don't take my word for it. Just hang out for a day or two, and I think you'll enjoy the live stream. I'm very confident it'll help you not only in your trading on the desk, but in your personal life off the desk. It's not one of those, excuse me, one of those, we're only talking about trading here on this live stream. Nah, like we really do try and tend to the things that matter in life, and just try and share some encouragement. Just share some encouragement. We're all at different stages. We're all in different places. We all have, not all of us, but some of us may have different strategies, but we all have one common dream and goal, and that's to succeed in trading. So a lot of a lot of that is going to be technicals and charts and analysis and fundamentals and all that, but a lot of it is also going to have to do with how you're performing excuse me, and who you are off of the desk. And you really want to shape yourself into being a professional here, because professionals make money. Yeah, if you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here too today. And don't forget to sub to the channel. What's up, YOLO Trader? YOLO Trader. What's up, Jessica Lake? Let's go to Lisa. No cappuccino. Somebody go crazy. What's up, No Cappuccino? How you doing? All right, look, this is perfect. This is what we were anticipating here. So let's see if you can actually close bullish. It's going to be very tough to obviously take a buy in the next candle, but we'll see what happens. What's up, No Cappuccino? John Stew's in house. If No Cappuccino doesn't say, hi, Nick, how are you? Then I'm convinced he's a bot. A robot. Come on, No Cappuccino. Let us know you're real. Speaking of real, the realist is here. John Stewart.
Yo, yo.
Good morning, John Stewart.
Good morning, brother. Nick, how you doing, bro?
Fantastic. How you doing?
Doing great, bro. Feeling blessed. Grateful for another day.
Amen.
Can't complain. Yes, sir.
Amen.
Yes, sir. What up, chat? Good morning. Happy Wednesday. It's great to be here. Another day, another opportunity to follow our plan consistently and be patient and disciplined. Let's run it up. Let's go. Let's have a blessed day.
Yeet. Yeet. Blessed day. Johnny Gems
Got a
in the
Z game?
building.
Stan Man, what up? Yes, sir. Yo, freaking stupid 8:30 news. as right as we start to form these nice buys.
Maybe I'll attempt
Opportunities
to
for
buy
buys.
pre-news. What do you think?
Hey, you do whatever.
I'll
You do
risk
whatever.
$1. That way,
you
if
go.
I get massively slipped or something, I only lose like $20.
Thanks, bro. Those cells are nice too, pre-NY for that 4-hour bottom wick. I was digging that.
Yeah, I took those cells. A couple people took them. Some guys took them from up here. Some guys took them from here. I took mine right here.
Lovely. Yeah, those are really nice.
Yeah. I think these were a little early, but it was still good. Then you got that range, that second range, and then you're good. Are you drinking Red Bull? Absolutely not. No way, Jose. I am drinking Excess. The best. Wow, look at that focus. The best of the best. No sugar, no carbs. Loaded up with vitamin B. Ginseng, echinacea. Some potassium. Wow, 2 grams of protein? I didn't realize that. Need more protein. Vitamin. Yeah, a lot of vitamins here. This is more like a vitamin drink.
Need more protein.
Need more protein. Look at that focus. What's up, Usman?
It was good, Usman.
How does someone get
Scott?
excess? Glad you asked. You can only buy it exclusively through my website. Yeah. If you guys want the maybe I'll put the website on Nightbot. I don't really talk about my other stuff too much, but yeah. Maybe we'll put it in there if you guys want some excess. Exclamation point excess. Hey TK, should we sell excess products on the website? What do you think? What do you think, John?
Hey, bro, do you?
Yeah, some of you guys have heard of the Amway Corporation. They are the largest #1 network marketing company, but they're also they have one of the biggest manufacturers. Everything's made here in Michigan and in the USA, but they ship all over the world. They're in many countries.
Yeah, Amway's great. Amway got Nick right.
Amway isn't good? Yeah. No good. Yeah, this here is the ground beef flavor. Yep. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, that's my favorite one right here, man.
Which one? Grape?
Hell nah. Great. This one is
Which one?
It's called Strawberry Burn. It's fire.
Okay. You remember the Mountain
It gets
Dew
the
one?
job done.
Remember the
Yeah.
one that tasted like Mountain Dew?
Of course.
Which one was that called?
Summit.
They still got that one?
Oh yeah, of course.
The protein bars though hit different.
Hey, I always wanted to get a cool camera and do this. Guys, check out Magic Keys. Whoa, look at the focus on that. Hey, if you guys don't have Magic Keys or never heard of Magic Keys, hit the link in the description and grab you a Magic Keys. Hey, I think it works with C-Trader now too, so it should be good. Magic Keys, I am actually sad that I can no longer use Magic Keys. Sucks. Yes, today I'm going to promote the brand. What else do we got? I got a new grass-fed beef company coming out.
That's smart.
I want to get a farm and sell food, all like animal-based food, and I want to get a exotic car rental company, so that way I don't need to worry about buying my own cars. I could just drive anyone in the fleet that I feel like.
Hey, bro. I'm with that car company. That's for sure.
Hey, you guys see the vision for the TT headquarters or what? Let me give you a little glimpse of the 8-figure TTE station. Check it out.
Morning, Xander.
Check it out. Hey, by the way, this is my Instagram. If you guys are looking to find me on Instagram, let me show you guys. Hey, those are my kids right here. The 3 amigos, or amiga, and 2 amigos. Living the dream. Oh, Taco Tuesday was yesterday, gang. Holy, look at that.
Tacos look fire, dude.
Just look at it. This is it, chat.
You look at that.
Yeah,
Look at it.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh
Happening.
my
Who's
gosh,
gonna be
just
a part
look
of
at
it?
it.
It's
Who's gonna
happening.
hang out with us at time to eat? 8-figure battle stations, man.
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Morning breakdowns too, Nick.
Morning
Get 'em fired up.
breakdowns on the big live screen here. Yeah, some of you got. Oh yeah, it's gonna be
Coming.
great.
Just scream on the top of my lungs there.
Looks pristine. Yes, it is. It will be pristine.
Follow the playbook or you're fired.
Yeah, then you
Let's
guys
run
will
it.
follow the playbook. If you don't, you're fired.
Facts. Good morning, Andrew. What's up, bro? I'll make Nick tap you on the shoulder.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah, you got 4 minutes to clean out your desk there, Hernandez. Let's go. You're out of here.
What do you mean you only risk 1% on the salary? Get the hell out of my office.
That's a disrespect to the firm. Oh man, yeah, facts. You fall off that playbook, man. Green's gonna be behind you. Whoa, 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 whoa! Green's gonna be tapping you on the shoulder.
Facts.
Come in my office. Some of you guys, man, that's how you should treat. You know, even though you don't have even though you don't have a boss that could fire you for breaking your playbook, you should you should do it on your own, right? You should kind of just hold yourself to that standard. That's one thing that helped me out. You guys know I love to play these mind games, like, you know, just hack the brain a little bit, and you know, pretend, hey, if I don't you know, do this thing right, they're gonna fire me here.
Hell yeah.
No Diddy, man, no Diddy. We're gonna send you to a Diddy party. Oh, so you want to make the big bucks, don't you? Bots here today are too funny. Yeah, is no cappuccino? Are you a bot or what? What's good with this? I want to see him say hi, Nick. How are you today? Yeah, if you notice, we got milk. The style is milk and cookies. Yeah, it's like an Oreo type of office vibe. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Hell yeah. Of course we're
No
going to
crumble.
have cookies laying out at the front desk. Come on.
Protein cookies.
Protein cookies.
Green. There he is. What's up, Green?
Hell yeah. Every 30
Green
minutes.
likes,
What's good, Green? How you doing, bro?
he likes that office design, doesn't he? We'll have a big like fitness center downstairs.
I was just gonna say every 30 minutes, let's run up like 30 push-ups, whatever you could do. And if you break your plan, that's an extra 30 push-ups.
30 minutes, 30 push-ups.
Yes, yes, sir, Scott. That sounds like a great idea. Sauna and cold plunge.
Wait, what'd you say? Buy stops at 8:28 is a good idea? Yeah, I think so, Scott. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with Scott's ideas here today, chat. If this candle closes bullish, we'll have some buy stops for CPI. Good idea, Scott. Great idea.
Do a little gambling.
Well, I'll only do it because Scott said. Did I graduate college? Nope, never even made it in. Never went to college.
Thank God, bro.
Ah, thank God.
Who knows what you'd be thinking now? You went to college.
It'd probably be just, going to school, get a good education, get a good job, have good medical benefits, 401k, nice retirement fund. Could have been living the dream, man. Could have been a dedicated 9-10 hours a day at the office. Damn.
Sheesh.
My family could have been so proud of me.
Yeah, shout out everyone in college. I hope it's playing out for you. Working out.
Can we have a pool at the TTE HQ? Yeah, why not? Why not?
Bro, it's definitely Florida.
Can you see it? Can you dream it? Yeah, I could see it. I could see it. I'm doing it too. YOLO top step. Let's go, Ryan. W. Hey, whatever works. Oh yeah, definitely have some sort of mini golf course too. How cool would that be?
A basketball court too would be sick.
Any meetups planned in India? Nah, not yet. Not yet.
Soon.
India. Man, that's going to be a long flight, I think. Y'all trade already today? Yeah, we took sells here, or some of us took sells. I took sells on the way down here. What's up, Tommy? Good to see you, man. $15 hours? That's not, I mean, that's long, but if it's a direct, that's not actually, that's better than I thought.
It's better than a connected flight.
All right, couple more minutes left. Let's say hello to Raja Banks.
Raja Senpai, wish you good luck in the next 10 minutes. Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Raja.
I appreciate it more than words can explain.
Raja Tanks.
Raja Banks. Let's go. The GOAT.
Do you do real estate in Dubai? No, I don't do real estate in Dubai. Watching the show, welcome. Welcome.
Guys, this is who I learned from right here.
My. This will be interesting.
Same.
Raja Tanks.
Great educator.
Boom. Oh, who's this? Oh, George VDM is in the house.
Daily, you have a good range to fill. 5 minutes of casino time. Yeah, we got 5 minutes left. We got 6 minutes left
Casino
for pricing.
time.
And this will be interesting.
Looks like he's
Are we
using
going to
same
push
exact
all
zones
the
as
way
us.
up into this zone, or are we going to push
Oh, yeah.
down into this liquidity area? These are the two liquidity areas.
Energy in the house.
Where price should
What's
move.
up,
I mean,
Energy?
the top one is like, 100 pips away. The bottom one is like 200 pips away.
I like watching him
it's
for
gonna
news,
be
man.
Interesting to see how things play out with news. Again, whoever is trying to trade the news.
See what I just did? I went and liked the stream. Some of y'all gotta learn how to do that. Just move your mouse over here.
Maybe,
Boink. Give the thumbs up.
A smaller risk. Using a smaller risk is going to be way better. It's going to be better for you if you use a smaller risk.
There you go.
But
no full margin.
If you don't use a smaller risk, then things can go bad very, very quickly. So you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very careful.
Very careful.
Master Raja.
The spreads can increase. A lot of things can happen. Like, there can be like liquidity issues. Like, a lot of things can go wrong, So we have to be very, very careful. You have to be very careful with the news event all the time. Buy stop, sell stop.
Very good educator.
In my experience.
Very good educator.
Oh, yeah. He simplified it all for me.
Facts. We should go bombard him. Nah, actually, no. Let's not do that. 4 minutes till news.
Nah, bro, we're respectful.
Yeah, let's leave him be. Let's leave him be with Stephen B. Whoa, Stephen B. Stephen B. going to new levels.
Stephen B.
Let's get it.
Yo, chat, who's buying here? Who's getting in buys and sells?
I think I might buy.
Yeah.
2364.
Mara looks like it wants to juice.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Skirt. Skirt. Roland J. Hey, that's one way to get it done. Buy or sell. To be honest, if you really want my professional answer, I'm just kidding around here a bit, but there's no buy or sell for me. This is too unpredictable. Price can go either way, and it's not like it's gonna move slowly or aggressively. It's just gonna straight up print a candle, and there will be no room for error. No margin for like slip ups, and there'll be no time either. But one thing I would say is if this candle does close bullish, when you break the high, you should move up, right? And fill this range. If you close below, then there may be a drive down here coming down into these zones. So you got big range all around. Me no gambling.
Yo, Nick, you saw that rain earlier?
Which one?
You saw the rain?
Yeah,
it was
I did
like
see the rain, bro. It was pouring. I was saying that on stream.
It was like a tornado watch.
Tornado. Your trading platform will freeze. Yeah. Yeah, your trading platform will freeze, and then you will be left with a candle, and you will either be jumping up and down, or you will be on the ground crying. Yeah, typically what you're going to see is like, boink. And that's it. And a lot of times, if you're using an offshore broker, if you have an entry here, your entry is going to be like right here. So it's tough.
So you could be 100 pips in profit, but your trade's at BE.
100 pips in profit. Wait, why am I in? Whoa! Why am I in drawdown? Whoa! Why can't I close anything? I can't. My terminal's frozen. Full margin. Yep. Better luck next week. I am down to watch Roger do this though.
Oh, 40 seconds.
That is absolutely crazy. You know what I'm gonna do? I think this is grabbing liquidity
to move up.
Yeah, right,
Scott. It's grabbing liquidity to move up. Oh, someone's in a buy. Someone's in a buy. I'm going to execute a one lot
It's good, TK.
buy position.
Oh, he's getting in a buy. Let's see what happens here. 5 seconds. Raj is in. Who else is in? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Terminal frozen and printed candle. Wow. There we go. Beautiful. see what
Sheesh.
happens.
News
here.
is just gamble. 3, 2, 1. Spreads up. Price bounce. Oh.
Damn.
Oh, he didn't even get in.
Too bad. So sad.
Yeah. Had a feeling that would happen.
Oh, well.
You would have been right, Nick.
Yes, sir. I'm always right. Even when I'm wrong, I'm right.
What can we do over here?
Yeah, so there you have it. Lovely. Told you guys, take a buy. Stop being scared, man. You guys are soft. Got 12 pips. W.
NASDAQ too, to the moon.
Sellers definitely got in right here. Definitely.
All right, time to wait
Nas
30
gone.
minutes again.
Wow, pumping. There goes the 4-hour flip. And she should be off to the races now, chat. Remember, you got nothing but clean range. Look at that.
Super clean.
Super clean. My platform froze for 30 seconds. Yo. W. Yeah, NASDAQ up. Sheesh. All right, lovely. Well, we got clean candles, right? We got clean candles. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame here to see if we can get in before the 4-hour closure. You got resistance here. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait on the 4-hour close here. Unfortunately, that's the one thing about having CPI here at 8:30. Let's go, W. Took a buy, made 300. Let's go, Shadow Dancer. You dancing now.
Nice. Let's get a Shadow Dancer.
Made my 1K back. W, Traders JX. Let's go.
Beautiful, good stuff. You're the casino.
Got stopped out, but was correct. Yeah, nice. Yeah. A lot of sellers got in right here. A lot of sellers. Yeah, the days like CPI is the only time I'll kind of go down to like a 5-minute time frame or something like that. Numbers came out as forecast, waiting for closure now. Yeah, nice. Oh.
All right, I bet we're chilling the rest of the session.
No rate cuts? Yeah, I wouldn't expect them to cut rates at all right now. Buy stops on the weekly highs. Nice, right here. You got activated. Coach Carter in the house. What a movie. Yeah, let's see if the 4 hours got what it takes to keep going. Let's see.
Yeah, big 4-hour closure coming up.
Let's go blow Raja up.
This
See what
4-hour
he
closure
says.
here is gonna lead
Someone.
to what the daily
Yeah,
wants
you
to
guys
do
are
as well.
lucky.
That's true. We'll see if the daily wants to reject.
That's crazy.
Yep.
I made $2,000. Thanks, Raja. Well done. Grabbed 130 pips with stop loss of 20 pips. Amazing. Beat CL Network. Why you entered sell? I don't know why I entered sell. You know, like I should have just listened to my original.
Wait, he
analysis.
took a sell?
My original analysis was like
I
it's
thought he took a buy.
it's probably grabbing liquidity to move up. I should have just stuck to that like I did with NFP, but I know now for next time, for next time.
Oh, I thought he
now
took a buy.
that I have to just do this. So I'm just going to do that now next time. The protocol is
Interesting.
if they're looking at bad numbers and prices dropping on gold, maybe it's grabbing liquidity to continue to push up. That's
you
the
help
protocol.
broke?
And next time I'm just going to follow that protocol. Like I'm pretty good at following protocols in my.
Nice. Yeah, I thought he took buys. Guess not. Every time we have news, I think of Sam. Yeah, Sam better get moved into that new apartment.
It's like I'm not George Soros or someone like that. I'm human. But trading news is still risky. Don't think trading news is okay. It's never okay to trade news.
Do as I say, not as I do.
I made $500 with an $80 account. Thank you. I bought as soon as you said buy. Listen, guys, listen. If you made money in YouTube, guys,
Funny. Oh, he changed his mind? Damn. Yeah, I could have sworn he was like, I'm going to take buys.
just take some of those profits and enroll and see the difference. Hey, I'm going to paste the link here in the YouTube chat. I made 21,000.
Raja
Wow.
Soros. These things happen. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Yeah, Shadow Dancer. See that? Even the best of the best kind of mess up sometimes. Music's a little loud. I think that song is a little loud. Let's lower it. So anyway, back to trading here, right? So news came out. We pushed up originally. We'll see how we close here now. There's a big 4-hour closure. We're in the middle of, is this going to be a fake out or are we going to actually close above, right? We broke that high. This was the weekly high here as well. Broke the weekly highs, but we're starting to reject, right? We're starting to push down. So now the question becomes, well, will we move down for the rest of the day? Because the daily has tapped into its filled the wick here, begin to move down. Same thing with the 4-hour, right? So if the 4-hour can close bearish, and let's say it closes below the range here, then I think we got a 4-hour fake out on our hands here, right? Something like this, and then therefore we could potentially run back down towards 55 here. If this candle closes above, then I think we can clean up this range here towards that famous 2400 number here today. But this is going to be a big closure. It's going to give us a lot of direction. The daily's bullish, but we're at rejection. The 4-hour is bullish, but if we close below, this is going to be a fake out. Those two ideas support a move back down, right? The daily had already kind of done its thing. 4-hour faking out. That would also mean the 1-hour closing very weak. 30-minute as well. So yeah, we'll see how we do here. We will see how we do.
Big closure, Nick.
Big closure. Big closure. Yeah,
As long
this
as we
1
follow
hour.
price, we good.
Yeah, this 1-hour resistance too, right? We want to see how we close on the 1-hour. If you close below here, that means your 4 hours is going to close below, and yeah, we should see a different pace here in direction. Yeah, I believe so, Pablo. Yeah, we could definitely drop here today.
Yeah, especially with that daily right at resistance.
Yep. Just got into buys. Once it started going down, I've put an order on the 61.8 fib. Gotcha. I'm a Fibbo fan. Hey, fibs. What up, Vasil? Hope you're doing well, man.
What's up, Vasil?
Vasil.
Goldie,
Man.
Goldie.
Hey, Vasil, are you still down in Naples? Or did you move to Tampa? Nas coming back down here too. Oh, still in Naples? Nice, nice.
Bro, I gotta come back up to Naples. Last time I was up there, it was gorgeous.
Word. They still have the trade club thing down there? Last time we were in Naples was in what, like August, right?
Yeah.
September?
August or July, one of those. Really liked it.
They still have the trade club down there? Push him. Uncle Scout boys. Push him.
Yeah,
Push him.
I really love Tampa, but if there was any other place I'd probably go to, it'd be Naples.
Yeah, Naples is really nice. Oh, they still got it? Nice, nice. Can't believe I caught the pump. Nice job, Justin. Yeah, Naples is a little boring. It's very nice, but it could be a little boring, it seems like. Tampa's got all the new...
I could see that.
Yeah, the new, you know, up-to-date, up-to-culture type of stuff.
Especially where we're at, for sure.
All right, so we got the 15's gonna close here, but probably not gonna do anything on this. 4 hours still open, so I'm just gonna wait on this 4-hour candle here in about 15 minutes now. Old People City, yeah, maybe I'll move there when I'm like probably like 80. I'll go ride my bike on the beach every day. Naples in Italy is horrible? Damn. Oh, Justin, you're in Naples too? Naples got some fire golf. Yo, we should all meet up in Naples for some golf. That would be sick. I'm down for that.
Sounds like a vibe.
You with it?
Hell yeah.
Oh, Raja's gone. He's gone. Some courses are 500 plus. Yeah, I want to play in a course like that for free. Yeah, I want to see if I can get on a course for like one of those really nice courses. As long as if it's $500, then we gotta at least bet like 500 on the game, so at least someone can make some money. Yeah, I want to play at some of those nice courses, man.
It's crazy.
All right, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Go do them push-ups. Chat, anyone hitting push-ups today during the session? If you are, what you guys at? Naples golf would be such a vibe. Like, yeah, it really would. It really would. Once we were 8-figure traders, we could meet up anywhere. Facts, bro. That's why I came into trading, bro. Financial freedom. You know, to do whatever I want, whenever I want, wherever I want. That's my why. You know, that's what pushes me and drives me every day. Whenever I don't feel like getting up, that's what I remember is my why. I already crushed out a shoulder workout pre-traded. Hey, let's go. Good stuff, bro. Way to be on the grind. Stacking those wins, bro. The little things, right? Like the little things, that's what matters, you know, preparing yourself for trading, you know, doing your routine, stacking those wins. It helps, right? Those are the little things no one talks about. It helps with your discipline. It helps with your concentration. It helps with your mindset. Get it. Doing push-ups. Let's get it, blue stack. Caught good buys. Nice. Nice. Where'd you go? Where'd you get buys at? Sandman, my brother. Good game yesterday with the Knicks, huh? Got that W. Bro, is there more opportunities in the markets for today? Dude, definitely. There's a ton of session left. That's gonna be up to the markets though, to give us an opportunity, right? They gotta present us, my edge, present us our setup. They got to give us the deal to take, right? To invest in. But yeah, just patient. That's what we're here for, right? We're just patiently waiting for an opportunity, but we gotta wait on the markets first, right? In a way, the markets are our boss, in a way. So we gotta let the markets talk to us, right? We gotta, like we're negotiating a deal. Like, let's let the markets talk to us, give us a deal, right? And we have the responsibility to get in on that deal or not. But yes, bro, there's opportunities for today, definitely. Money is freedom, definitely. Yeah, I mean, I really wish that I didn't have to work on a skill set that had to get me money. Like, I really wish that I didn't need to get money. But the bottom line is, if I want to live this certain lifestyle, right? If I want this certain lifestyle of freedom, I need money, right? I'm gonna need that money. So yeah, dude, I agree. So I'm developing the frameworks, the skill sets to attract that money to me. But yeah, I really wish that that money didn't have to be a part of it. Yo, what's good, my brother Wags? Looking healthy? Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Just trying to, you know, exercise every day, eat clean, get sunlight every day, get that vitamin D. And that's really it.
Facts. Eat to
How
live.
you do
Don't
one thing
live
is
to
how
eat.
you do everything. What happened?
I said that's a fact. You got to eat to live, not live to eat.
Yes, sir. Bingo. Bingo. How you do one thing is how you do everything. Yes, sir. I agree with that, J4 Trades. Facts. Yeah, there's always opportunities. Yes, sir. But depends on your skill sets to identify it. Facts, Sandman.
Olive Garden. Yo. Don't eat Olive Garden too much, man. Can't be eating it too
Nah.
much.
Every now and then, you know, you gotta have some Olive Garden.
Yeah, every now and then. We do a little Olive Garden.
If the daily bias and 30-minute are bullish, but the 4 hours bearish, will you go bullish or bearish? So, you know, in the same way that the higher time frames lead to the lower time frames, the lower time frames lead to the higher time frames, right? In the same way, it's like a puzzle. You put the piece together. It's like a story, right? You make a complete story out of it. So whatever the 4 hour is gonna do here, right? The information we get from the 4 hour closure here can give us a clue or information on what the daily wants to do next, right? You know, you got to learn to connect them and put it all together. But yeah, I'm bullish or bearish. I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna follow price, and that's gonna depend on the this 4 hour closure here.
NAS not really moving down much. Neither is gold. 4 hours still pretty bullish.
Yeah, because we also got to remember the daily. You know, it's above resistance right now, but that previous candle closed right at resistance. You know, so got to be aware of that too.
Yeah, that's the thing. Daily's still below resistance. We came up, we filled that wick, which was basically what its job was to do. And now we need to see how the 4 hour closes. If the 4 hour closes bear, then maybe that begins the fall here, right, on the daily candle. But if you're bullish and you break that high, you should be good to continue up. You have clean range here.
100%.
Clean range. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. Yeah, decently clean range here. But big closure. 8 minutes.
Big closure.
TTE, Raja, and discipline. There's a lot of scenarios that can come into play, right? Like, excuse me, if the 4 hours bearish, but the 1 hour's bullish and the 30 minutes bullish, like, what do those bullish candles look like? Are they strong? Are they healthy? Are they out of support? Are they out of resistance? There's so much, gang, that goes into this game, and every single trade is unique in its own way. Every day is unique in its own way. So it's very hard to. We can go down the road of what if and what if and what if. Like, there's a never-ending what if scenario. So everything is catered to that individual trade or that individual position at that time. So it's very difficult to say, like, well, yeah, if the daily and if the 4 hours bearish and the 30 and the 1 are bullish, then I'm gonna take a buy. You know, it's very hard to say that, because then, you know, someone takes that literally, and then, you know, maybe that was formed out of resistance, right? Or maybe it was a weak candle. So everything's gonna be a little different, and, you know, have to be analyzed right then and there.
100%. There's a lot that goes with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't want to just marry. If the previous candle on the daily time frame is bullish, you don't want to just marry a bullish bias, because, like we said, there's a lot that goes with it. So where is this bullish candle at, right? Are we at resistance? If we're at resistance, then is the 4 hour? What's the 4 hour doing? You know, maybe the 4 hour is starting to create resistance. You know, and you just put it together.
Yeah.
But yeah, lot that goes with it.
Yeah. The pre-CPI trade you took was
Just remember.
Go ahead, John. I'm just gonna read this.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
The point of, remember why we're analyzing the charts, right? Why are we doing a top-down analysis every morning, right? It's just simply to get a read of price and what the direction it wants to go to, and where it would like to end up, you know, maybe during the session, end of the session. So yeah, that's all we're doing, is just trying to get a read on price and follow price action.
Yep. Like, even this 4 hour here can close bear, but what if it closes like weak bear? So if you see it, like, let's say it closes bearish like this. So technically that's a bearish closure, but then if you look left, you're still above the range, right? You're still above the range. There's also clean candles moving up right into the zone here. So therefore, even though it closed bearish, you can still get some sort of support on the lower time frame, and then a breakout, you know, and take your buys even with that bearish closure. If that bearish closure actually can happen stronger though and below the range, now I wouldn't even really think about touching those buys. I'd be really flipping the coin to like the shorting idea. Wait for that top wick, don't take buys here, wait for the candle to, you know, flip and then drive. So yeah, it's always different.
Yep.
A lot of scenarios.
Like Mark Douglas says, every trade's unique in its own way.
Yeah, it was a 15-minute range 2 breakout. right here. So I let these sells go because we were still pretty bullish. All right, but then once you came down, created support, created resistance, came down, closed below, that's where I took my sell. So like a range 2 breakout. Range 2 breakout. US 30, let's take a look at the Dow here.
Yeah, and if hey, wait, Nick, if you would have married a daily, bias or whatever, maybe you would have missed out on those sells,
Yeah.
So you just gotta follow price.
Yeah. Yep. Pumping. So yeah, the Dow went up, NAS went up. Let's see oil down. Let's see if CPI had any issues with crypto here. Yeah, nothing, not much budging here. As you guys see, I have not removed these drawings right now for a while. Right, quite some times. I only play Bitcoin off of the weekly / monthly. That's it. I got bags in September. I'm not a genius when it comes to this. Trust me, this was all by luck and a little bit of advice, but got into Bitcoin in September, and this thing just rocket shipped, man. Ended up taking not partials, but ended up taking profits here at 69,000, and then I'm waiting for price to get back into this range here, so I can take those profits and some and put them back in for the next rally up. Yeah, I'm not an expert though at this stuff. XRP, man, falling off. Holy. Let's see. Hey, Bobby, what's going on, man? What's up, Elusive Smokey? Welcome in. Welcome. Contract size, I'm trading on gold. I'm not trading a specific fixed contract size. I'm just trading basically anywhere from 3 to like 10%, depending on the trade.
Yeah, and the contract size also depends on the size of the stops too. So it's all different.
Yeah. Guitar action? Yeah. Yeah, closure coming up here in 1 minute. So, yeah, let's see how the 4-hour candle closes. 1 hour as well coming up. So, big closures here. What happened to the Sheeb? Hey, I'm gonna be a Sheeb millionaire. Trust me. I'm just waiting on Sheeb. What am I going to do if it doesn't break the line? So what I'm going to do is if the 4 hour still closes above the range here, I think you're still in decent positions to move up, right? So then what we have to do now is there is a resistance here that we kind of have to keep our eye on. So we want to see the 4 hour create a bottom wick, right? So ideally you would like to see some sort of a bullish or a bearish candle move down and then a new candle close above the range. Right, and if you could do that, then I think our buys are looking pretty good, and the 4 hours should continue ripping up. But we'll see. 30 seconds, and then if we have to, right, if things begin to continue pointing downward, then we can adjust and follow price and see where we can anticipate, you know, taking sells. Yeah, I mean, the sells aren't too bad off of the 15, right? You are expecting the 4-hour candle to make some sort of a push down here, some sort of a bottom wick. But here we go. All right, cool. So the 4-hour did close. It did close bearish, but it did close above. You know, it closed above the range here. 1 hour did close bullish, but it closed below its range. Same thing with the 30-minute, 15-minute. Let's just do a fresh analysis here. So let's just start on the daily here. So the daily candle has the range here, right? So we're in the range. You got support, you got resistance, you've never closed above. The candle that we're looking at above that range is still currently open. So that means this is still the range, right, that price is trading in. We are trading above it. We did go ahead and fill that wick there, right? So we went ahead, we filled the wick on the daily time frame. That may be target being tapped, right? Target may be tapped right there unless you actually re-break that high. Then I think we can clean up that clean range that you have on the 4-hour chart, which is right here. So where is that high? That high is right here. So what does it look like? Potential 4-hour celery play, right? And the reason I say that is because we're still above the range here, right? If we're still above the range, we still have room to go. If you break that high, you should be good to continue pushing up, right? So remember, we are still above the range. The 1 hour and the 30 is giving us a little bit of a headache here because you got resistance here, you got support here. This is kind of the range you're sitting in. And then there's some resistance on the 30-minute. So I think this high right here is extremely important to break, but we may come up and just fill it, right? Just fill the wick and not really do much. So that's why I want to pay attention here to the next like 15-minute candle and see if we can actually remain below. Right, if we could remain below, then there may be some sells to come down and retrace that whole move here. Right here. All right, so you may come up, attempt to fill that wick, and then close back below and look something like this. And if that's the case, that 15 pack, that's where we could take our sells coming down. Yeah, so we're in a bit of a tough area here because you could take buys, but you know, off of this wick fill right here, but it's still a bit choppy. Still a bit choppy.
Tricky.
Yeah. But 15 closed below, but there's no top wick. So I want to see how this 15-minute candle performs. And if it closes back above, then I think that's going to be our first sign to go ahead and begin to take buys here, right? Buys moving up. But if we come up just to make a top wick, and then end up remaining below here, right? Then I think the sells are going to be in play. So we'll see. No top wick just yet. So I would expect that top wick. Hey, stick to the plan, my friend. Especially at work. Especially at work, you want to stick to the plan.
Let's keep it simple. If we stick to the plan, we'll be long-term winners.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would really like those 4-hour highs, previous highs to get broken. That would be nice. Nice buys.
Yeah, the thing too that I don't really like is that we broke the high already, right? So there's not a wick over here. Like this, that celery play would look so much better. But we kind of already broke those highs and didn't do much after that. Just kind of rejected here. So that's the one thing that keeps me out of the buys. All right, cool. Can we see the top wick form here? See if we can get a flip. Do I read Christian devotionals? No. I just read scripture. I've had a couple devotionals in the past, but yeah, I just read the actual scripture. Volume up. Let me turn the volume up here. All right. How's that? Any better? Sorry, guys, I had headphones in. All right, here's the top wick. So let's see what we do. Will we actually push up here? Because we are bullish on most of the time frames. Or will we create this wick and end up closing below and all that? We'll see. If you get support here in 9 minutes, I think buys are actually pretty valid to just continue driving.
Need closures.
Need a closure. Choppy in Arabic means special dance. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy. 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 Isn't it crazy? One word can mean something in English and a completely other in Arabic.
Shows you that everything's fake.
Language is a scam.
All made up.
I don't know what you're talking about. Language is a scam.
Shows you were in a matrix.
They're talking about this thing called the Matrix. I entered on the flip. Nice.
Good luck, bro.
Best of luck. This thing could juice up here for sure. Greetings, Edwin. What's good, man?
What's up, Edwin? Yo, Sam, man, facts, bro. When I was first beginning, I would get smoked and I waited for closures. So I remember writing on my whiteboard, in all caps, wait for candles to close. Oh yeah, I know. Tight. I remember that.
I'd be tight until I started hearing Raja. Wait for the candle to close.
Yeah. Yeah, Raja.
Start calling you names and stuff. I'm like, all right, bro. All right. I'll wait.
You just call me an idiot? Damn. You're just learning, dude.
I'm all right. Just chill. I'll wait. I'll wait for the candle to close. Do you play any games, Nick?
All right, bro. Won't do it again.
Play no games, man. No games. Any games like... What do you mean? I love games.
Play golf, bro.
I like games.
Yeah, we got to run it back up with hockey.
Hockey. What type of games you talking about? Oh, PC games? Nah. I used to back in like high school, but not anymore. Man, I used to play Roller Coaster Tycoon. How many of y'all remember that game? I was building real estate early, 8, 9 years old. I said, hold on, if we raise the price to what? How much could the account be? Impulse entries are the best. The best. Yeah, what about backyard baseball? Used to play that one too. Backyard baseball. Yeah, that is true, Christopher. I play the game of life. That's my favorite game to play. It's the game of life.
Yep, we playing it right now.
I like this game too. This is like my new game, trading. Trading's the new game.
Obsessed, bro.
Good challenge.
Since I made my first $20 when I first started, I've been obsessed.
Lights fire. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Call of Duty's pretty good. Pays the bills, right? Right, lights
Call
fire.
of Duty. Call of Duty's sick. You know, like when you're playing like late at night, midnight, at like a sleepover.
Great game. Need for Speed, baby. Yeah, that was one of my favorite games. Need for Speed. All right, so it looks like these buys are not ready yet. Maybe on a 15 closure here. I think this 15 will give us a big clue here in like 4 minutes.
Need to wait for the candles to close.
It's tough, I know. It's frustrating waiting for them damn candles. But you know what's more frustrating? Taking a buy, and now you're looking at closing that one. Now you're looking to take a sell. You take a sell, you're closing that one, and just candles all over.
Yep. I said it before, but just look at candle closures like it's the charts talking back to us to give us more information on what it wants to do next. Really, yeah.
No one believes in me when it comes to trading, bro. That's all right. I believe in you, and all that matters is you believe in you. I wouldn't tell, if I were you, I wouldn't tell anybody that you trade. Just whatever you normally do for work, just keep it there. Don't let them know you trade. Don't ever tell anyone.
I believe in you too, bro. And that motivation's got to come from within. Internal motivation.
Yeah, man, we believe in you here because we know what it takes, and we know it can be done. But it takes a lot of drive. No one believed in me either. No one.
And yet, you really can't give a a crap about anyone's. Yeah, that's a W wife right there.
Yeah, and it's not like if they believe in you, you're gonna actually succeed. Like that has nothing to do with your success anyway.
Yeah.
Prove them wrong, brother.
Yeah. And who cares, bro? Don't worry about what anyone thinks about you, bro. Because guess what? They're not gonna think about it in the next couple minutes or at the end of your life. So just run it up, bro. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, if the vision's there, you only need one person to believe anyway, which is you, right? Because God gave you the vision, you got to believe in it.
Go. And if you're looking for motivation inside you, bro, you got to understand why you're trying to become such a good trader. Remember that why. Let that why motivate you, bro. All right? Let's go.
Yep. No one cares until you actually succeed. And then they're like, hey, yeah, man, we knew you were going to do it the whole time. We knew it. You know, so embrace it. It's tough, but that's why success is only designed for the few. Because not many people can, push through. It's just hard enough to get the guys that aren't really about it to quit, and just easy enough to actually get it done.
Hell yeah. Let's go, Joseph W.
What do you want people to say about you at your funeral? Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. My thing is I want people to say, damn, he really did believe in the Lord Jesus. Like, he really did preach it. And he was a good and faithful servant. He put others first. Like, he truly cared about people. And whether that was, sacrificing time in his own family to serve people, or, traveling around the world and using what he had to help people. Because those are some of the plans that I have, is to really travel around the world, fund ministries, go out and do work that matters. And set my kids up and, bring them along the journey with me so they can develop that heart for other people and follow in that footstep. I never told anyone I trade. Yeah, that's smart. All right, we got a closure here. So we did get a closure. It's not the greatest one, to be honest. I think we have to wait for the 30 here. Because this 15, you see how it's a weak body candle, right? So there's an exhaustion wick to the bottom. There's also some sort of exhaustion to the top. But if we look at the 30-minute candle, that one's still open, right? So if this candle, now we look towards this candle to give us direction. Yeah, I just want to leave the world better than I found it, pretty much. I just want every time I walk away from someone, I hope that they are better than they were before, and that's really my goal. And that could literally just be a compliment. Sometimes it's going to be a compliment, sometimes it's going to be a deep mentorship, sometimes, you know, it's going to happen randomly, but yeah, I want people to look back and be like, damn, that dude really cared about others and spent his life in a way, in a selfless type of manner, not a selfish type of manner, you know.
That's all that's gonna matter.
Yeah. So I'm not too concerned with this low break in here because I've already made my mind up that this is a doji candle. It's an undecided candle, and that 30 minutes going to be a bit better for confirmation here. So gonna wait on that. Hey, W. Kenneth, congratulations, man. Big W.
Congrats, bro. Let's get it.
What do I think about Luke Belmar? I think very highly of Luke. I think Luke's great. He's got a wealth of knowledge. He knows how to get it across in a communicative state. And he's one of my mentors. You know, he's helped me out a lot. He's a good kid, man.
Yeah.
Very wise.
Yeah, a lot of love for Luke. Oh yeah. Luke be dropping a lot of gems. And yeah, I would say he's my mentor as well. He's a beast.
You know, you don't agree with everything people say, but you know, for the most part, he's pretty solid.
Nah, he says it best, you know. Take the meat and leave the bone. No diddy. But just take what highly successful people have to offer. Take what's gonna work best for you. You don't have to take everything, but take those things that work best and move on. For how long have you guys been trading? What's up, Edwin? Hope you're doing good. I'm coming up to 4 years now in a couple months. Yeah, it started in 2020. Started learning in 2020. Started to see results around 2022, 2021. So yeah. I think Nick's been about 5 years, I believe. I could be wrong. What is important for seeking knowledge of Forex and trading? Purpose is earn cash. So I don't really get the question, but I think I understand what the question is. What is important in trading is that you develop an edge, right? Find an edge that works best for you, for your style, for your personality. Find an edge that works best for you with your personality. Develop the skill sets to trade it professionally, consistently, disciplined, and patiently. and have a probability mindset, right? Think in probabilities with that edge and trust your edge, bro. Once you know your setups, entries, confirmations, time frames to trade on, eliminate the thinking, bro. There's no thinking to do when you know your edge. The only thinking you want to do in trading is thinking probabilities and execute. We get paid to execute. So once you have the edge, once you know your setups and entries, all you got to do is execute, bro. You get paid to execute. So yeah, have a good edge, have a good mindset, think of probabilities, and should be good, bro. Hey, that's good, Edwin.
Damn.
Trust the process, dude. That's it.
Trust the process. Yeah, it's 15 minutes ripping down here with no wick on the top. I forgot to see what you guys did in London session. Let me take a look.
Probably those buys. It looked like there was a nice salary play for buys in London.
Yeah, that's so true. J4 trades. I don't know if I'm tripping, but I feel like I was actually thinking about that early this morning today. Yeah.
What?
Just like, what would your eulogy be like? Like, what are people gonna say? Or what is the dash gonna represent? Like, everyone's got that tombstone, right? And like, what will the dash represent? You were born this year, you passed away this year, but what happened in between, right? What does the dash represent? And it's something to think about. Yeah, we're all gonna transition one day. We think that, hey, that day's never coming, but it will. You know what I mean? And what will your life represent? And is some of the things that you're worrying about right now even worth it?
Good point.
130 pips in London. That's lit. Yeah, when you begin to pull an income from the market, that's when you start to realize how so the question is, like, can you talk a little bit about like what it's like? So that's when you begin to realize how real this thing actually is. And I think that's the thing that keeps most traders back is and I think we were talking about this yesterday, but look, they've never touched any dollars out of the market. So how serious can you take it, right? It's just like you got coins in a video game. You're never going to treat that as if it's real currency available for use, but once you pull some profits and you pay a phone bill, or you fill your tank up with fuel, right? Or you pay the rent or the mortgage, or you take your wife or your husband out, whatever it is, like once you begin to spend the money, you realize, hey, this is actually legitimately like real income. And then I think that's where you begin to take things more serious. Most people, they've never touched the money, so they just think, I'm up 5% on my funded account. I'm up 1%. I'm down 4%. It's not real to them, so they don't care about it. They do, but not really. So until you actually take money and spend that money, use it for things, it doesn't hit you, right? The reality of it won't hit you. So I encourage you guys to withdraw, even if it's just a little bit of money to fill your gas tank up in your car. Just take something, you know, so you can get the realness of it, and watch how more professional you approach the markets after that. You're like, okay, what if I could fill my gas tank up again? You know, and hey, maybe next time, what if I could fill me and my mom's gas tank? What if I could buy my mom groceries for the week?
Hell yeah, bro.
Yep, and then you just move on to bigger and bigger things. Hey, what if I can pay the rent with trading money? What if I could pay the mortgage? Even a haircut. Yeah, exactly. Even a fresh cut.
I agree, bro. I agree. You start to become responsible now for your job.
You do. You do. You take it a little bit more serious. Need that deposit. Professional depositor. All right, so 30-minute closure here in 3 minutes. Let's see how we do here. 15 pack runner would be great. 30-minute onion wouldn't be bad here. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. I'm jealous to those couple who support their partner in this business. Don't be jealous. You ain't got time to worry about being jealous. You just got to make money, right? There's no time to worry about anything other than your current situation, right? If you're if you're in a situation that you're looking to get out of, you got no time, man. No time, no business worrying about anything else besides getting out of that situation. And a lot of people, they just, you know, look this way, look left, look right, let that distract them. It's just focus, G. Just focus.
Thanks.
I want to learn about Forex trading properly. I would say study candlesticks. Study candles.
Oldie.
I like that, Tradeaholic. And then he said, yo, break yourself, fool. I'm going to get mine. I'm going to get my phone bill right here. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Thanks, Tradeaholic.
Baby Pips is really good. Yeah, I really do like Baby Pips. If you're a beginner to trader or trading, then I would highly recommend checking out babypips.com. Even if you're advanced, it's a good read. Just read up until like Japanese candlesticks, and then you should be good. Can I be profitable after 1 year? Yes. I don't see why not.
It's up to you, bro.
It's up to you. If you're a good student, you can definitely make some moves in a year.
Everyone's process is up to them, so it's all different.
Yeah. All right, 1 minute. Let's see if the candle can pull back a little bit. Stops are big. Stops are big. Stops are big. So most likely gonna have to use current candle stops on this trade here. Let's see how we open up on the new 30. Yeah, so sells aren't looking too bad here. You got a 30 closure, a bit of a stronger like a stronger candle than I wanted, right? A little bit of a steeper move, but we'll see if we can get a top wick, and that's gonna be my stop loss, and then entry on the break of the lows to basically fill that wick there. 64 pips, so we'll see. How did you deal with your family when you started trading? I didn't deal with them. I didn't even tell them. I had already dealt with all that from years and years and years of other entrepreneur ventures. Yeah, if we can get a steep top wick, I actually like the flip here. And then when we break those lows, you should get a nice drive down. But I want to see a top wick here. You entering this trade? Possibly, possibly. Yeah, Discord is pretty good. What's the name of this setup? This would be like a onion play here. So you're basically selling off of a resistance. You're looking to basically come down and fill that wick there. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, this one I'd be using current candle stops. So wherever this high, when we create this top wick, that top wick will be my stop. So let's say we kind of come up like this, then my stops will sit right here. Them stops are steep. Steep stops.
Steep.
Steep stops. All right, let's see. We never broke the low there. Let's see. All right, so we're coming up to make that wick. 15. Previous 15 doesn't have a top wick either. Interesting. Whoops. Whoops. This one I'll probably go like probably more like like 4%. Let's see if we can keep that high. I think that's going to be pretty decent. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop here. Gonna look to go short on the break of those lows there. I kind of want to use the flip, but I'm using this current candle high as my stop. Yeah, this actually doesn't seem bad here. Yeah, I'll probably use the flip, so that way when we break the lows, we are ready to push. So I'm gonna have a sell stop here. I don't use the flip too much, but I'm gonna use it today. Got a, what is this? 22 pip stop, and then 18 pip wick fill, 51 pip support, 85 pip test of that low. How do you? Yeah, by the time we break the lows, if we break those lows, that's where I'll go break even and then just make it risk free. Oh, we're starting to push up. Where are we at now? Nah, I didn't enter. I have a sell stop. So if we flip, I'm going to go short here. We're making a pretty decent top wick now. There's a lot of volume here at 9:30, so we may go up. If we do go up, we shouldn't really flip bearish again. So that's why the sell stops are down there. So no entry yet, just sell stop. See? Sell stop.
Did he enter? No, he's got sell stops.
My bad, my bad. Let me do this. Sell stops. Let's see what Nas is doing. Nas is steadily hanging out up here. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. This trade might get activated. It might get activated, and if it does, it could be a winner. It could be a loser. Stops are going to be current candle highs here. Going to go break even about 18 pips when if these wicks break, and then partials here, full TP here. Expecting volume here to push us down, right? If we do want to go down. If we don't, that's fine. You know, we have a protective stop, and that's totally cool. I'm risking only 3%, where normally I would probably risk like 5 to 10%. So, yeah. All right, can we flip? Nas a little overbought. Yeah, I agree. Nas is way up. Way up there.
Nas is always way up.
Yeah, Nas stay way up there, man. You got 930 here though, so you should get volume here on the Nasdaq, as well as gold. Cruising into 940 here. Cruising in. GTA. Vice City vibes. But it's just another trade. You know, just another random trade, right? There's going to be many more trades after this. If you don't like this one, don't take it. If you like it, take it. Understand that the outcome is completely random. It could be a winner. It could be a loser. Size up accordingly and let it rip. Let it rip, tater chip.
Yep.
Stops. Wow. Stops are wowzers. Yeah. 40, about 40 pip stops. All right, 2 minutes left for the 15. I'm gonna delete. Actually, I'll just let it rock. Yeah, I was gonna delete, wait for the 15, but I'm just gonna let it go here. Would you look at that?
You look at this.
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah,
Look at
there's
it.
a few more.
Just look at it.
Activated. I'm almost activated. Ugh. Almost. Yeah, I'm gonna delete and sit out for this 2 minutes here. Wait for the 15 closure. So we'll see if we get the 15 to close here. Just gonna delete because 2 minutes left. That one would have activated me there. Let's see what happens.
2 minutes.
Will we drive in 2 minutes? It wouldn't surprise me now that I deleted it. Time for a refill, TK. Time for a refill. We'll see. It still looks good. Yeah, it looks real good. Oh, it did drive in 2 minutes. You son of a gun. Oh.
Damn. That's
Oh,
tough.
that's all she wrote, chat. Damn.
You sure you
That's
guys want to trade?
W, man. W. What do you know? Oh, my goodness. What do you know? Let me
Screw
just
you.
sip my water and mind my business.
I'm out. I'm out.
You got in, John?
Nah.
Let me just mind my business.
Screw it.
Yeah, anytime you see me delete like a minute, let's say with a minute left, I'm doing that because I don't want the candle. So let's say like this was the candles here, right? And then this was the entry. I don't want the candle to close on no bottom wick because that's happened to me many times. Boom, and price ended up reversing. But yeah, 2-minute push there. Wow. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1-minute chart. Yeah. But yeah, played out nice. Played out nice. 52 pips in 2 minutes. Damn. Yeah, now we tapped into resistance. So there's no sell there. Yeah. Happens.
That was tricky.
Son of the mother, let's go. Son of a, 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 son of a. WTK, yeah, see, TK went and got a coffee, came back, was $500 richer. Yeah, so we can't take a sell now because, you know, we're at support here. Oh. Yeah. Hey, made $5. W. W. Yeah, so now we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. But this was a good move. 55 pips. You had about a 36 pip stop, so not bad at all. Yeah, that's the move you want. You know, you want that volume coming in from 932. So that would have been a pretty good flip entry. Notice how once we flipped, we were also breaking that 5 low too there, and it just began to drive. Yeah, it's because you got breaking lows, top wick established, volume in, 930, support to be retested, and then boom. Yeah, as you guys can see, price loves, especially on gold, loves to create support, create resistance, retest that support, right? Create support, create resistance, retest that support. As you can see, it does that all the time. The money move. Can you explain the situations where you take it off the flip? Yeah, sometimes like, so in this case, it was both of the wicks were sitting down here, and that was like 18 pips, right? It was a good like 18 pips. So that's why I was like, if we're going to make that low first and then come up and create a pretty decent top wick, as you can see right in this area, and then flip again, I mean, we're most likely going to continue moving down at that point. So I want to be involved for that 18 pips versus entering there. Yeah. Yep. Damn! There's the wick fill. So yeah, that's the target right there. Would you look at it? Yeah, just look at it. Yep. So understand, right? So more importantly, let's understand why this all happened here, right? So remember, we were focused on the higher time frames. We were focused on the daily, and we were saying, okay, well, we never closed above range, right? So therefore, this could be a liar candle, right? We did go up and fill the wick, and that's where we tapped our target there on the daily time frame. We go down to the 4 hour, we notice that there's a bearish closure, right? You got a bearish closure on the 4 hour. 30 minute closed bear, right? And then that's your idea for price to continue coming down to fill that wick there to the left. So it was a simple idea. This plays out a lot. You guys will see this in the market more and more, but it's good to get a read on it. And even if you didn't take the trade, it will stick to you now a little bit more, right? So next time you see this, you know, okay, well, if we flip or break the low or something, there's a wick down here. We can fill it, understanding that the daily already tapped the target. 4-hour closed bear. You got a wick to fill. 30-minute giving you resistance, and that's your green light. Yeah, the 15, the best entry too would have been like if this candle closed a little stronger. This is where I would have ideally liked to have entered. If you got a top wick here, entry on the break of that low. Yeah, so if you can get that, that's your best opportunity up there. But today we couldn't get that because of the week 15 closure right there. So waited that one out. Seen this, decide, okay, this is going to be good. Unfortunately, unfortunately for me, I deleted it a minute in, or a minute to go, but some of you guys held it, and that's why you're winning here, because of those higher time frames, right? Are all in your favor now. Yep, perfect. Yeah, W idea. Are we getting a tap on the shoulder? I don't think so, man. I don't think so, because if this 15 again would have closed with no wick, with that 4-hour in a way still being above the range there, then this could have turned around and went the complete opposite way at 9:45. So I don't think so. I don't think so. Sometimes that hurts me, right? Where I delete 1 minute before the candle closes, but most times it actually helps. Yeah. Damn. We're moving and grooving now. This is what we talked about, coming back into these ranges here today. 2356. We're moving. Yeah, if you're gonna create support, you may start to create it from here. Right? If you're gonna create support anywhere, it could be from right here. All right, so we got couple minutes left for this candle to close. It's going to be your 1-hour closure. If you get a candle like let's say this candle here closed with no bottom wick, right? Then most likely you're going to begin to pop back up here now. So you're probably going to do something like this, maybe grab some liquidity looking like that, and then I think buys are decent up until like 61 here, and then if you can get through that, you know, back up towards the top of the range. Yeah, that was a nice move down here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, TK, take some partials, man. You only remember the could have been the wins, yeah. Yeah, like sometimes this could hurt you, this idea, but then sometimes it can also help you, you know. So sometimes you can get a better read on the candle closure, or a better entry, and then, you know, sometimes it's just gonna leave, you know. I didn't expect that in 2 minutes there, that big drop. Big drop. Took some partials. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, I think the next move not going to happen until a little bit later here, though, chat. Yeah, you got a 1-hour close coming up. You've got this range here. Right below that, you've also got clean candles coming down. So let's see how this candle closes. If you close above, then you're probably going to look for some sort of a bullish idea on the lower time frame, 15-minute time frame maybe, for price to continue back up. If you close below, we've kind of already moved a bit, so the sells begin to get tough down there. If you do close below, I'd much rather see some type of celery play, right? Or even closure back in the range here, and then a bearish closure to follow it. And then you could possibly look to, you know, take your sells coming down. Blader, where we at? I would have closed this position. I wouldn't have been in this long. Yeah, I would have closed like right here, 56 pips. Yeah, I think that'll do it though. I think the next move is going to come, I would say 10:30, 10:45-ish, because price just made a big move here. So it's probably going to chill out a little bit right here and then give you some sort of a closure. So that's what I would look towards. Like, let's just do a fresh analysis before we leave. So like your 4 hour, you broke the lows already now, right? 1 hour's broke lows. You got a major support level right here that if you close below, you do have clean traffic coming down towards like 23.47. If you close above, there's a range to the left, right? So you may range here for the next, I would say, hour or so. Just kind of trickle around in here, and then you've got clean candles coming down, or if you break above, you got clean candles coming up. So I think that'll be what I'll be looking for. I'm probably gonna take a walk or something and come back to the desk in like, I would say like 25-30 minutes, and then see where we're at according to price. But we've already made a huge move down. The buys, the sells at this point down here are a bit tough. They could still play out. There is a lot of bearish volume here, but we've already moved down quite a bit, right? Over 200 and something pips. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Yeah. Gonna probably keep an eye on the 15 and mainly the 30-minute time frames here. Cool. That's all, folks. That's all. Congrats to those who took the trade. The trade was money. Yeah, trade was moolah. So good idea. Hopefully you guys understand it. And I'll keep you guys posted in the Discord on what I'm looking at. And yeah, come back tomorrow, do it all over again. Where's John? John's not here? All right. Peace, John.
Snap, you calling it?
Yeah, I'm going to call it here. I'm going to wait for another setup in like, maybe like an hour.
Yeah, I'm going to do the same.
Yeah.
All right, cool, bro. I'll talk to you a little bit later then.
Okay, sounds good, bro.
All right, cool, bro. Peace, chat. Have a good day.
Later,
Peace.
chat. Hope you guys have a great one. Blessed day ahead. Stay patient. Wait for the next best setup, and we will see you tomorrow. All right. Love y'all. Be great. I'm out. Peace. Later.
Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk. Whoa, I was chasing my glory, then fell asleep. Woke me up and told me to go feed the sheep. Sent me deep in the streets just to bring them peace. Yeah, we be where them blickies be busting, where they enjoy life with no discussion. But as soon as they see the light rushing, they know that the Lord walking with us, no bluffing. People say that I'm fake, I'm like, okay. Do you walk in the light or you throw shade? One more sex on my skin, I got no shame. We was preaching about Jesus before fame. Get it? Did that. On my side, yeah, he been that. That's the devil where my sins at. On the cross, cause he pinned that. Big throne where he sits at. That hit him, then he hit back. Resurrected, yeah, that's big facts. Told us hold it down till he get back. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah, walk with me. Step in the scene with the fly, had to keep it so steady, don't fall for the fox. Had to cut out the session, he got in the crop. Hold up, spiritual weapons when miracles happen. I'm never surprised cause it got. Ain't serving no Hannah Montana, ain't switching my banner like David, we slinging the rock. We kicking this beating, why serve Yeshua, even if it mean I'm bleeding. Come kill my my flesh, my soul still breathing. Speak through me. Yeah, yeah. This heart keep beating, these lungs keep singing. Come and step into the kingdom, for the ones mistreated. To the day we see them. This feel like the moment we seeking, the day we can sing up the water, get freedom to walk. Walk, 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 walk. I walk, 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 walk. We walk, get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. Walking with Christ, moving where it's gritty. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I see the people trying to bring them with me. We got a light, tell them come and get it. Yeah. We walk. When I wanna shake with a word, times and times every day in my heart. Got down, but I still be going in hard. Check destruction, stick on one side. Heaven is to go, so I'm steady taking my shot. And it's I believe, how the sense of life. That's when he does the magic of turning dark to light. He spread his love for all to step into his life. He reversed the logic of living first to die. Saved my soul from getting defeated, saved my body from getting deleted. Most of the times I couldn't believe it. Holy Spirit, I receive it. I don't deserve this, man, I'm not worth it, but he still loved me when I deserve it. He still gave his life on the cross. His loving is different cause I couldn't earn it. See, this life I'm living is blessed, and you know that the wages of sinning is death, but he put my spirit to rest. Got the blood of the lamb has paid all my debt. I am free, ain't no stress. I believe that I am the best. Got the Holy Spirit on my chest, so man, I won't let the enemy rest.